In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can join the Among Us beta on your Android device. So it's very quick and easy to do. All you need to do is locate the Play Store and then go ahead and open it up. Then in the search bar, you just want to search for Among Us. Tap on the first search result and now it'll bring you up all the details about the game. So from here, all you need to do is scroll down a bit and then it says join the beta. Try new features before they're officially released and give your feedback on the developer. So then you would just need to tap on join and it's just giving you a warning that it might be slightly unstable. If that's okay with you, tap on join. Now it's just adding it to your account, so give it a few moments. And once you've gone ahead and waited a few minutes, it will now say you're a beta tester. So you'll get all the new features before everyone else. So that is how you become a beta tester for Among Us. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.